Steps to create a successful company. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the step-by-step process of creating a successful company. So, if you have a business idea, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Define your business idea. Clearly define your business idea. Consider your passions, skills, and market demand. Conduct thorough market research to assess the viability of your idea and identify potential products existing. Step 2. Create a business plan. Next, develop a detailed business plan. This is the roadmap for your company's growth and help you secure funding if needed. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. Step 3. Choose a legal structure. Now, it's time to choose a legal structure for your business. This can include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Consult a lawyer or business advisor to understand the legal implications and select the structure that suits your needs. Step 4. Register your company's name. After choosing a structure, select a unique name for your company and register it with the appropriate government agencies to secure your legal rights. Consider trademarking your name and logo for added protection. Step 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Research and obtain the licenses and permits required to legally operate your business. Contact local government authorities or regulatory bodies to understand the specific requirements for your industry. Step 6. Secure funding. Determine your business's financial needs and explore funding options. This could include savings, investments from friends, family, business loans, or venture capital. Prepare a financial projections to present to potential investors or lenders. Step 7. Set up a business bank account. Open a separate bank account for your business to keep personal and business finances separate. This helps monitor your company's financial health and simplifies taxation. The last 4 steps will make your company last 10 years. Step 8. Establish an accounting system. Set up an accounting system to track your business's financial transactions and manage your books effectively. Consider using accounting software or hiring an accountant to ensure accuracy and organization.
Step 9. Build a team.
Identify key roles and hire employees. Look for individuals who align with your company's values and bring complementary skills. Develop a strong company culture and foster a positive work environment to attract and retain talented professionals. Step 10. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan to promote your business and attract customers. Identify your target audience, understand their preferences, and select appropriate marketing channels. Leverage social media, online advertising, content marketing, and networking events to build awareness about your company. Step 11. Set up your workspace. Identify the physical location for your business and set up your workspace accordingly. Ensure you have the necessary equipment and infrastructure in place to support your operations efficiently. Step 11. Launch your company. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, it's time to officially launch your business. Announce your presence to the market, start selling your products or services, and deliver on your promises. Continuously monitor and adapt your strategies based on customer feedback and market insights. Remember, starting a business requires determination and flexibility. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and make your business thrive. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and make your business thrive. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. If you want to grow in business, subscribe and share with others.